Hello friend. I hope you are fine. Today my topic is how we can merge two cells by using formula. It is pertinent to mention. It is pertinent to discuss here that I was facing very hardship while merging two cells, and I have to write one by one. So I searched on YouTube and several other platforms, and I found this trick. So I now I'm going to tell you that how you can merge two cells in or how to you can merge two cells in one cell and by adding a special character. So let's start. I want to add this category two cells in one by adding some specific character. So here, so equal to concatenate spreadsheet bracket start. Now I will click first word, first integer, first numeric which I want to put first. So I want to put first this enter a comma, uh, inverted comma, and now I want to put a specific character between these two words, sorry, numbers. So I intended to put a word, put a specific character which is slash inverted comma, comma again. Now I want to put this 2021. So I select this, close the bracket. Now I will enter. You see, this is being shown to you by keeping this by pressing holding mouse key. I drag the it will automatically copy the this. You enter the specific character which you want to. Another thing I want to share with you, which is most important, that if you if by merging these two cells, these this would remain. This will remain. Uh, wait, my battery is going off. Wait, please. Sorry for convenience.